Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second Sudoku, second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Friday, December the 10th, 2021. We have here in this additional 6 extra puzzles, but I only do half of them, and the first one I have solved, the 3-star Sudoku. Now it's time for the second one, the binary puzzle. I only do 3 of them, half of them. So the second one, the binary puzzle, will be number 3811. Before I start, I always count the boxes because I want to know what kind of binary puzzle this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then, between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s, 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Alright. Then we need to, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Here also, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we need to compare, I think. Let me check. Almost the same, this one. Almost the same, but I cannot use this. Let me compare this. 1001 here. This column and that column. Alright, 1 1 0 1 1 empty box 0 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finish in 4 minutes. Great! Only one time for comparison, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. It will be a tectonic one with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.